Today I'm delighted to be joined by Uwe Ahrens, the Executive Director at HotCopper Chemicals. Uwe, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to tell you something about Altec.
So I understand the CRU report commissioned by HotCopper and Macquarie Bank was recently released. What can you tell me about this?
Well, the report confirmed what we all were looking for and hoped. We know the electric vehicle industry is increasing, and CRU based in London has done an in-depth study, very detailed, and has confirmed that the market growth is much larger than we expected. They're looking at about 272,000 tons in 28, but even when Altec goes into production in 21, we have a demand of over 100,000, and that is very encouraging for us and our shareholders.
So I understand the CRU report discusses the push for using high purity alumina. What can you tell me about this?
It's very important. It's actually of essence for the Altec business concept. We are producing 4N, which is the highest quality, and high purity alumina is a performance material. So the purer the material is, the better will be the quality of the battery in terms of efficiency, durability, and of course safety. If you have a product that has certain impurities, the battery will fail sooner or later. So even if you have 1 in 100,000, when the battery burns, like we've seen in the Samsung or certain Tesla cars or Dreamliner, that is a failure that cannot be accepted. So our product will be the product to use.
In this report, the CRU actually states that there is a supply deficit. What does this mean for Altec and its shareholders?
Well, there's a significant deficit when we come on market. A supplier's market means that we will have no issue of selling the product, and the product will be high priced. It is very important for us to be a partner to the leading producers in the world, and as you've seen from all the newspaper articles, we have two markets that we're selling into. We're selling pellets into the artificial sapphire or LED market, and the other big market is the lithium-ion battery, where we are providing the raw material for the battery separator. Now this battery separator, you know, European car manufacturers, American, Japanese, they're all trying to go in the EV market. They all need batteries, so they need our product. So it means we're looking into a bright future.
So, and also this report provided a price forecast. What does this mean?
This means that our IRR is going from 20 to 30%. We will have an EBITDA for the first plant of more than 100 million per year. These are very encouraging numbers, and these are conservative numbers. And then we know that by the time this all goes up, we will even do better than that.
Fantastic. Uwe, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for inviting me.